A senior Iranian commander says heavy pressures on the country to impose restrictions on its export of technology and drone capabilities will no longer have any effect. Head of Iran Aviation Industries Organization, IAIO, Brigadier General Afshin Khajeh said on Friday that despite severe restrictions, many countries are keen to import Iran's technology and drone capabilities. Iranian-made drones play a vital role in ensuring security and border protection in many countries, he told ISNA. He added that Iran's armed forces have carried out decades of scientific and specialized work and developed the country's drone capabilities. The forces have drawn up a good strategic plan to use drones to defend the country, the commander emphasized. Khajeh further elaborated on Iran's defense ministry's plans for manufacturing and equipping helicopters belonging to the Army and the Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, IRGC. Preparing and manufacturing combat helicopters are on the agenda. We have made good progress in operationalizing the existing helicopters of the Army, Navy, and the IRGC through good cooperation with these forces, he said. He noted that the IAIO is working on the production of combat helicopters, but it will take at least extra 4 to 5 years. Currently, the manufacturing of combat helicopters is in the design phase, the commander said. The IRGC has recently unveiled a super heavy drone, named Gaza, and the Afshin, new type of suicide drone as the military unit continues to upgrade its cutting-edge warfare technology. The Gaza drone has a wingspan of 22 meters and a takeoff weight of 3,100 kilograms. It has a flight endurance of 35 hours and a flight speed of 350 kilometers per hour. The loitering Afshin drone has a range of 20 kilometers and a 20-minute flight endurance. In a related development, the Army has announced that it is set to take delivery of 1,000 strategic drones designed and produced by the force and the support of the Defense Ministry. In addition, a ranking commander in the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Defense Force, IRIADF, a branch of the country's army, has announced implantation of key enhancements to one of the force's advanced indigenous defense systems. Brigadier General Mohammad Yusufa Khashgab, IRIADF's deputy commander for coordination, announced the developments regarding the force's Rasool messenger air defense system. The system joined the country's integrated air defense network last December after undergoing relevant technical and operational tests. It operates IRIADF's Carrier, Striker, unmanned aerial vehicles, long-range interceptor combat drones that are armed with the force's Majid air-to-air missiles. Addressing the enhancements effected in the system since its inauguration, the commander pointed to improvement of the drone's operational range, including altitude capability, as well as the range of the aircraft's radar system and its optical range. In addition, the aircraft has been made capable of integration with various defense systems, including the Integrated Air Defense Network's command and control system and other various radar and combat systems, he noted. According to Khashgab, the aircraft can also now be armed with multiple various missiles other than Majid that could be deployed in proportion to various operational and terrain circumstances. We have increased both the variety and the number of the missiles in light of the needs and varying importance of different air defense zones, he said. Also on Monday, the IRIADF's commander, Brigadier General Alireza Sabahifard, said the use of indigenous systems, which had been created amid decades-long sanctions imposed on the country by the West, was the superior factor in the country's air defense power. A senior Iranian commander says the country's air defense continuously monitors the busy skies of the Persian Gulf. He asserted that the Air Defense Force had become self-sufficient in the field of producing detection, surveillance, and signaling systems as well as training manpower. The enemy is aware of the preparedness of the Islamic Iran's personnel and defense systems and knows that any mistake will be met with a resolute response, he, meanwhile, warned.